easy nail polish removing hack, you'll need 10 cotton rounds, any foil, and any nail polish remover. First, break off a piece of foil and divide it into 3 or 4 smaller sections. You don't have to be very precise with this, but aim for about 3 by 3 inch squares. The foil is easily torn using just your fingers. Then, take your nail polish remover, remove its cap, place the cotton round tightly onto the open top of the nail polish remover, and quickly tip over and back so that the cotton round gets saturated in the middle. Place the saturated part of the cotton round directly onto your nail and wrap the rest of the pad so it fits tightly around your finger. Using the other fingers of the same hand, keep the cotton round in place while you reach for the foil square with your other hand. Place the foil square on top of the cotton round so that the end of your finger is in the middle of the foil square wrapped tightly around, and squish the rest of the foil around the finger. Use your fist to squish firmly. It should sit tightly. Do the same for the rest of the fingers on your hand and wait for 5 or more minutes. Do one hand at a time. Then, simply remove the foil and the cotton round by gently pulling on them. Rub the top of the foil and around the nail as you pull. Your nail should be completely clear of any nail polish. Leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more.